Welcome back to our calculator series. So today we are going to learn how we can use the BA2 Plus Professional to compute MPV calculations. So let's look at this question. We have a textile company, and this textile company is considering an investment in a new project. So this project requires an initial outlay of $500,000. The project is expected to generate cash flows of $150,000 in the first year, $200,000 in the second year, and $300,000 in the third year. Now, the company's cost of capital is 10%. We are asked to compute the MPV for this project. So once we have turned on our calculator, we are pressing CF. So this is cash flow. Now, once we press CF, we need to clear the memory of that spot. So we press second function, we'll press CEC. So once we do that, the memory will be cleared. Then we can go ahead and start imputing the cash flows. So the first cash flow we have, which is CFO, is our initial outlay of $500,000. So we'll put $500,000. Now, because this is an outflow, we need to put a negative to it. So we are going to press this plus or minus here. Once we press it, a negative will appear in front of this 500,000. Then we press enter. Once we press enter, the calculator will display CF0 equal to minus 500,000. Then we'll press arrow down. We see CO1. Now we are going to put the first year cash flow, which is 150,000 there. So we'll type 150,000. We'll press enter. Once we do that, we press arrow down. We see FO1. We'll press arrow down again. We see CO2. Now, once we see CO2, we are going to put 200,000, which is the cash flow time 2. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down again. We'll press arrow down again. We'll see CO3. So this is the arrow down in the calculator. Now, once we see that CO3, we are going to put the cash flow at time 3, which is 300,000. So we'll put 300,000. We'll press enter. So we are done imputing the figures in the calculator. So the next thing we are going to do is to press MPV. So this is MPV. Once we press MPV, we need to put our cost of capital, which is I. So we are going to type 10. We'll press enter. Once we have done that, we'll press arrow down. On pressing arrow down, we see MPV. We'll press compute. So this is compute in the calculator. Once we press compute, the calculator will compute our MPV. And the MPV for this particular question is C. So 27047.3. I would now like you to pause this video and attempt to solve this problem using the BA2 Plus Professional Calculator. If you did it correctly, the right answer is B. If you didn't get B, then I would like you to rewatch the steps we followed in solving the first question and attempt replicating it to solve the problem.